Ritesh Sidhwani, a round of applause as Ritesh takes the stage. And writer, director, and co-founder of Tiger Lady, Rima Kampi. Thank you. I hope mics are with everybody, or magically a mic will appear. Salman sir, I'm going to start by asking you one. Sorry, sir?
Keep for later. I can say दूरी पर बोलने वाला था सब बोल चुके हैं।
आपकी इजाजत हो तो।
जोया
जोया के साथ शुरू करें। जोया जी, इजाजत है? बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। Zoya, I want to start by saying a big thank you to all of you on the stage. As someone who's grown up on the movies, we need a more docu-series that tell us about the films. I'm sure you watched all of the movies so far, but is this something that was a discovery for you because, you started making this series?
I think what I discovered making this series was that nobody really knew what happened. And after making the series, we discovered we still don't know what happened with them. Nobody knew.
In the next season.
That's the next season.
Season 2.
Yeah. So
That one is really controversial.
somebody discovered that no matter whatever happened, there was a respect in that. And that was like no one spoke beyond something, and I think that was something happening.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Shall I go to Farhan?
Please do.
Thank you so much. Farhan, I hope your mic is magically near you. Thank you so much. I want to ask you how Salim Javad's work has inspired you as a writer and filmmaker, and then I'll ask you my next question.
I think all of us who grew up in the 80s and were children of the product of films that were made in the 70s, we all carry the legacy of Salim Javed within us. It's not about just being a part of their family. It really is, as audiences, as viewers, the impact and influence of the film on all creative minds was just, it's undeniable. It has influenced my work. When I write scenes, it's not about emulating or copying consciously, but there is a certain darja, for the lack of another word, that was given to the parts that they had written. And every character contributed in some way, had a personality, had a way of speaking, had a moment in the film, and I think that is subconsciously kind of come into the kind of writing that we do.
In fact, a more
In
pointed
all of us.
No,
In all of us.
absolutely. In fact, a more pointed question would be,
Whatever he says.
Samantha, I have to once again start off by thanking you, all of you, for giving us this series.
Thank you for hosting this.
Thank you. And I'd love to ask you, the spark or the idea of creating this docu-series, when did it come about?
I think Zoya started this. And Zoya and Farhan came to me, to all of us, and I thought that was the best thing that could ever happen.
Fantastic.
And I believe that they were the highest paid writers then. They're not leaving that position. Even now. Look at this. But ये तो अच्छा है, they didn't pursue acting. I think they did right for themselves. Then to look at them. आजकल भी ऐसे लोग हीरो नहीं मिलेंगे आपको.
क्या बात है?
है ना?
बहुत शुक्रिया. Ritesh, I hope Mike is near you or will come to you. As someone who entered the film industry without any prior connections and has achieved so much success, how did Salim Javad's legendary work and mentorship influence or shape your creative journey?
I think you're right. I had no exposure to films till I obviously hit the Javed. But I think a lot of it came because from school. I remember Javed used to be at Holiday Inn working there. So I used to go there because our school was right across. I used to hop across there with Farhan. And I would see some part of the process of what was the magic behind it, right? So I think I got into it at that point, and then obviously you've grown up watching these movies in the 80s. And I think even today, and with Salim Uncle, most of my interaction started after Dil Chahta Hai. I remember after the movie release, Farhan and me, for most of the films, would go invite him. And obviously knew the families who were Arbaz, Salman, all these people from Sea Rock days. So there was a lot which was there. So I think there is a lot of influence in the work today because you've seen the stories they wrote, the way the nuances of the screenplay, the characters, the emotional connect they had at that point, and it's even valid today. So, I mean, to be honest, when I read a screenplay today, I try to find that connect and that emotion.
The pressure.
Well, I must say, I have one of the finest co-hosts with me today, and that is Mr. Salman Khan. Thank you so much, sir. So lovely.
मैं
Rima,
फेंके हुए पैसे उठा लेता हूँ बहुत उठा रहा हूँ
Rima, I hope Mike will be with you soon. Excel Entertainment, Tiger Baby, and Prime Video together have given us so many great stories. Whether it's Made in Heaven Season 1, Season 2, Someone Make Some Noise, it's my favorite show. Yes, thank you. The Hard, thank you for The Hard very recently. I think this is amazing, this partnership between you and Prime Video. So, what do you think this is going to do to that partnership? And young man.
It's wonderful for us to partner with Prime, Amazon Prime, and it's going to drop in 240 countries. And to me personally, I mean, apart from it being them being a huge contribution to the film industry, when I watch the docu-series, it's like two tigers who've done this beyond all odds. So there's a rags to riches story, there's a beyond all odds kind of story, and I think it's very universal.
एक ही गाड़ी में से जा रहे थे और हमारे सामने प्रोड्यूसर डायरेक्टर जा रहे थे जिन्होंने 20 साल पहले अपने फिल्म बनाई थी तो क्या है अपना शुरू कर दिया गवर्नमेंट को सलीम जावेद जिंदाबाद सलीम जावेद जिंदाबाद तो एक 10 रुपये कम होने के बाद मैंने उनको कहा कि ये लो और फिर आगे जो उनका नाम किया डायरेक्टर का कि उनकी गाड़ी के आगे क्या करो उनका नाम क्या जिंदाबाद करो जिंदाबाद करो तो जैसे ये उसको कहा कि उसने जिंदाबाद बोलना शुरू किया तो उन्होंने पीछे मुड़ते जानते हैं और इसके बाद करके चलिए में जब सिगरेट निकले तो बाबू के शोल्डर ऐसे कहा है तो बस उसके बाद उसे हम क्या कहते हैं तो हम दोनों तेरा गए जैसे आपने भी जानते हैं आपका तो थोड़ी देर बाद वो हमारे पास आगे खड़े हो गए नया रस्ता करके कह रहे कि 20 साल हो गए हमारा बच्चा जानता है
Some of the finest storytellers इस पल को और भी यादगार बनाने के लिए मैं दरखास्त करूंगी सलमान खान
100 times. I saw that film. It was highly entertaining. I don't know if they will be happy that that was my first choice. Kranti. But no, all there. I think, I mean, this documentary is aptly titled Angry Young Men because they brought their life experience, their voice, their identity into the character that we've all come to know as Vijay. And that's left like a lasting impression on all of us. But I mean, all of it, your work is absolutely spectacular. It speaks for itself.
Thank you so much for that. Kranti, in case anyone missed that, okay? I'm going to take this to Salman sir. Salman sir,
I just saw an interview of Mr. Manoj Kumar, and he's taken away the credit from Salim Javed. He said that he's written it.
Did he?
Yeah.
Okay. So then we'll have a separate documentary for Manoj.
It's a very honest him that he has made this confession.
Sharon.
No, but it's a fact. It's a fact. He says मैं लिखता था, मैं इनको सुनाता था, और ये फिर आके वही करके चले जाते थे. But he did right.
As they say, it takes a village. So,
That chana zor garam.
which is why I think I have another question on my cards, but I'm just going to go ask you another question, which is, what is your favorite film of the two of them?
I've liked all the films. But for me, Diva, Sanjeev, Dawn, Sholay, कितने नाम हैं कि जब हम like we produce a film, I'm sure even Farhan and Zoya must be revisiting all their films.
Now, for the question on the card, which is, when did you realize that
क्या सवाल है ये? इसका इस सवाल का जवाब कुछ और ही होगा कि जब से कुछ समझ में आया तो सलीम जावेद ही समझ में आया, बाकी के कोई नहीं समझ में आया.
Thank you so much for that. Javed Sahab, before we go ahead and before you say once again that, what about us? I want to ask you a question to both of you, Salim Sahab and you. All of the women on the docu have said, you were brats. You were brats. You were not humble. And you knew your worth. Some of those women are sitting right here. Thank you. Thank you for joining us today. It's so wonderful.
No, I must, in all honesty, accept that Salim Javed has stepped on many people's feet. But to begin with, those feet should not have been there.
सलीम साहब आपसे जरूर सुनना चाहेंगे.
गाने के बाद
लंच टाइम हो गया है.
डायरेक्टर से सुन लेते हैं. Yes, I think we'll break for lunch very soon. Namrata, I think this question begets an answer. Of all the names you went with Angry Young Men, which is I think the perfect name for this docu-series, but how did that come to you?
It was Zoya's idea. I mean, even when she had the idea first, she knew that it would be called Angry Young Men.
Oh, amazing.
Yeah, and we discussed it back in 2018. She already knew it's Angry Young Men. And I thought it's a fab name.
Truly is.
Yeah,
Thank you.
it epitomizes everything the docu-series is about.
Thank you for that. Manish.
This brad thing is two people writing, getting hit after hit after hit. And now they have to refuse a lot of producers, a lot of actors. तो वो वहाँ से आता है कि ये लोग अपने आप को समझते हैं कि इनका दिमाग खराब हो गया. दिमाग इनका नहीं खराब हो रहा था, दिमाग इनका चल ही रहा था और बहुत अच्छे तरीके से चल रहा था क्योंकि ये हिट पे हिट दिए जा रहे थे और जिनके साथ ये काम नहीं कर पाए for takes और प्लॉट पसंद नहीं आया, what शक्ल पसंद नहीं आई, जो भी कैरेक्टर पसंद नहीं आया, वो उन्होंने इनको तय कर दिया कि इनका दिमाग खराब था, लेकिन एक्चुअली इनका नहीं था. जिन्होंने इनको ये बोला है वो उनका दिमाग खराब.
Thank you so much. Manish, I'm going to take this to you quickly because,
240 countries and 20th August. That's all I want to say for now.
Amazon ka promotion. You know, one thing about a lot of writers, and so has Farhan, with a lot of writers, they write. Salim Javed thought. They put their life's experiences, what they've learned from people around, what they've seen, what their parents have taught them, what their children, you know, have, you know, the way they've grown up. So they've taken from life and they put it on cinema. The rest of the writers, cinema se utha ke cinema mein rehta hai. God makes men. They don't want to be men anymore. He makes a lot of men. But in this generation, they don't want to be men. These two here, my father and Javed, they're men, they're still men, because they want to be men.
So much. Lord Propaganda Machine Hina Ungiven was my favorite dialogue. But I think to just paraphrase one line that they used in a film, and that question came up very also, lunch come hai.
Lunch come hai. Well, lunch will happen.
Mine is, Mr. Kushi.
Yes, sir.
Mine is, it was mine. Would be two.
Things like this. So let me be honest. I grew up in science. माटोगा की लड़की हूँ. लेकिन आज इस मंच पर यहाँ पर खड़े रह के, I just want to say thank you to all of these amazing people who've given us the movies that define our entire lives, our personalities. And if you feel the same way, would you please put your hands together for Acting Young Men?
All in 40 countries.
Then I also mentioned it's very rare to have such a strength, such a show of wonderful family.
आपने चावल साहब का प्रोडक्शन तो देख लिया, अब सलीम खान का प्रोडक्शन देख लीजिए।